After being awakened by the wild turkey sounds this morning, pre-dawn, I thought maybe it was time to share some of the bird events on our land. Sometimes we get up to 50 of the wild pigeons, and they come and bathe in the ponds, flying all up in the redwoods, all throughout the forest, landing everywhere, and intimidating the other birds. They're quite magnificent, really. The woodpeckers always come as a grouping, and they make these incredible screeching sounds in the redwoods. I really love them with their red heads, and they're very playful. The finches are always the first to arrive in the morning in little families, and they expect when it's raining, as it is now, to get fed undercover. Sometimes I feed them 2-3 times a day when it's raining, and they are so much fun to watch.